In this screencast, I'm going to show you a little bit about the Microsoft Immersive Reader program. This is a tool built into Office 365, and it allows you, it provides options to help improve your reading and writing for people, regardless of your age or ability, and it helps provide proven techniques for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to CenterNet, and you want to click on the Office 365 OneDrive button. That will pop you into Office 365, and you can go ahead and open up the document that you want to look at further. So I put up a document here that I'm going to show you a little bit more about Immersive Reader. So I'm in Word Online. I'm in a browser. It says Word up here. And to view Immersive Reader, I want to go to the View menu key, and I can open it up by clicking on Immersive Reader. And this will work in Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, etc. Immersive Reader opens up, and you can tell that by looking in the upper left corner. You can notice that I have different colors. I have different letters that are above, right? Giving me more detail about this document. So let's look at the tools in the right corner. If I click on the two A's here, these are my text preferences. And when I click on this, I can change the size if I need to read the text larger in a larger print. If I didn't like the font and I wanted to choose a different font, I could. I can choose to increase the spacing or make the spacing closer together. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. And then I can change the theme, which is like the color in the background. So if I place my cursor right here by the word go and I hit play,
go to https://sites.
it reads the words and the text that's on the page. If I look at our next option, which is our grammar option, and I think this is a great feature here. I have syllables on, so if I turn that off, it's not going to break up the syllables, so how you're reading the parts of the words. I also have everything else turned on. So if I want to know which words in the document are a noun or a verb or adjectives, I can turn those on or off. And when I turn them on or off, it changes the color. But I also have this show label set. So the N over here says it's a noun. Now I can choose if I wanted a different color. I can choose a different color as well, or I can turn that feature off completely. The last feature I want to show is over here in our reading preferences. So you can choose if you want to focus line by line. If I want to read this line,
https://sites.center.edu. 2.
And it will go to the next line automatically. If I wanted to scroll down a little bit and look at maybe step 5, I can hit play.
5. Give a title to your post and add your text.
And I can stop it. If I go back up to my reading preferences and turn this off, I get back to the main document where I was at. Another feature that I really like, I think is helpful, well, there's two. The one is the picture dictionary over here, where it will show you, pull up a picture of the word, right? So I can see what does it mean by text. But you also have a way that you can translate it. So by default, there's no translation on there, but I can choose. So if I picked Spanish and I'm going to choose the Spain, I can say I want to translate the whole document, not just a word. So now if I start with step 4 and hit play,
haga clic en el enlace nuevo publicar en la parte superior o en el lado izquierdo de
it translates the document and it will play it back for me. So there's a lot of features within the Immersive Reader that is helpful for anybody. For more information, please check out our other screencasts at ctl.center.edu.